Smallmouth bass, acrobatic and pure fighting power. Just the name conjures up excitement of this awesome fish. In this video, I'll return to one of my favorite smallmouth waters, Big Turtle Lake. Big Turtle Lake is about 2,000-acre lake. The deepest part is 143 feet. What's great about this lake is there's a special regulation placed on smallmouth bass. All bass between 12 to 20 inches must be released. With the recent mayfly hatch, the fishing was a little bit tougher. Topwater wasn't producing much, so a small quarter-ounce underspin with a curly-tailed grub in the pumpkin pepper color and an 1/8 ounce black hair jig seemed to produce best. Nice bass, nice bass. Yeah, big bass, big bass. Big bass. There he is. Nice bass. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that bass. Oh, beautiful. He did an underspin with the little pumpkin curly tail. There's multiple of them down there. Oh man, that's a big one. Bass. Beautiful, just over 4 pounds. Put her back. Fish. There you go. Bonus segment. I had seen from a distance of a big fish slurping mayflies off the surface. Later, I had spotted a pair of what I thought were big smallmouth bass. Check this out. God, it's a huge bass.
God. It's a huge bass. Huge bass. Holy crap. Oh, man. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. It's a dogfish. I thought, oh my gosh. It's a huge dogfish. Oh, that is crazy. Oh, don't snap. I put it down there and he slapped it. Oh my God. Oh, I got him. Oh my gosh, it's a dogfish. Oh my God, that thing's huge. Oh my God. Oh, I saw him down there, 2 of them. I thought it was a bass. Look at that thing. Oh, that is so ugly, but man, I would have put up a fight. All right, buddy, you're off. There he goes. Gosh.
After hooking the first dogfish, I encountered the second one in the same area. Check this out.
Oh, I got another one. Oh, I lost him. Oh man, he grabbed it and I set the hook.
A big dogfish, lots of smallies, and a great time spent with my family on Big Turtle. Until next time, thanks for watching.